Live Trading Alerts is the best tool you'll find to locate exactly the trade setups you want at exactly the time you want to find them. It's as easy as point and click with our pre-configured alerts. This one happens to be looking for a pullback within a trend within a bottoming pattern. In this case, we're running 4 unique scans, all on the daily time frame, but they could be on any time frame. And then we're looking for those symbols to be alerting us when the tickers reach a new high on the daily. But again, we could pick any time frame we want to be alerted on. And then we're getting alerts as those tickers that pass the scans give us a real-time indication that they're moving. If you don't find exactly what you're looking for in our pre-configured scans, we have, of course, 300 built-in scans that can be combined in any different combination across any of a dozen different time frames to meet your needs. And if none of that gets you what you're looking for, let us know, and we'll be happy to write custom scans to meet your exact desires. With that said, the price goes up on July 1st, so this is your chance. Lock it in at the current rate of $97 a month, and your price will never go up. Of course, you can cancel at any time. This is not a lifetime commitment or a long-term subscription. This is month to month, so if you decide it's not for you, you can cancel. So if you're looking for real-time alerts of price action for exactly the trade setups that you want, then LTA is the tool for you, and we hope to be serving you soon.